Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and today is day 12 of our 12 days of Christmas giveaways. So today is the final day. It's been so much fun creating all of these freebies for you guys. I hope you all have been enjoying them. Today we have the Christmas hot cocoa wrappers. You can head on over to our 12 days of Christmas giveaway page and grab that free download. And I'm also going to show you how to assemble these. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. You can find a link to our 12 days of Christmas giveaway page in the description box down below, and you can grab today's freebie. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos and more freebies. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.